What is good, YouTube? My name is GKNOW signing in, and welcome to my channel. So before we start this video, you shout out to these guys, Robert and Roby. Oh, that's crazy. They bought one. They're actually Mr. Daddy. So it's actually my friend right here. He won the Jordan 1 lows right here. So today we'll be basically doing a shoe review for you guys, and obviously how many pairs? 8,000 pairs that released for the lows, and I'm not sure for the highs.
You're both insane. 8,500.
Oh, 8,500 for both. That's actually crazy. I was gonna do two separate videos, but I guess I'm running out of time, and my main camera actually died, so I'm filming my phone. Good thing I still have some lightings to work on. But yeah, once again, huge shout out. Retail starts with 2,800, 2,700 Canadian dollars without tax, and with tax
that's gonna be like 3K.
3K. So once again, thank you for
the lows.
Oh, for the lows. Okay, so once again, thank you for the film this. You know, it's actually so nice seeing this in person, able to touch them. You know, it's actually crazy. So I guess we're gonna start. And so once again, I was gonna do a comparison. I was gonna do an individual video, but I'm just gonna go straight into it to do a comparison video. So both of them, actually just put the lows aside. We'll do this to the highs. So the highs actually has the Dior logo with the IC on the bottoms, and super detailed. Actually, it's crazy. What can you say?
They have the numbers though.
Oh yeah. So once again, it has a 85. They released 8,500 for the highs. So it also has numbered here. This one is in 797. That's crazy. Out of 8,500, and then it has a embroidered swoosh with Dior pattern. The detail as well. Also in the tongue, besides the Dior Air Jordan on the tongue, it also has the Dior fabric, as you can see if you can actually go closer. Detail wise, it also comes with a really good and really nice laces. Well, the swoosh as well, but the lace is actually nice. Like, it's not like a normal laces that you can see in normal Jordan ones. And quality wise, leather was just amazing, super high quality. Even the also comes with the actually the first time I thought it comes with just one insole. This is actually the extra. So I thought it was empty on the inside, but there's actually a normal Air Jordan 1 insoles, but this is the Dior extra ones that comes with it. Also, one more thing with the box right off the bat, it actually has a magnetic, because like I was trying to open it earlier but I couldn't, and then they told me it was actually magnet. So once again, on the right pair it has the Dior logo, and then the left pair has the Air Jordan logo. It's crazy. Everybody, resale, how much going right now? 20 to 25. I just checked StockX. This is a size 10. It comes with 3 different items right here. So the third one is laces. It actually comes with white laces. Same material, same quality as this one. It just comes with white. And then the other one is, you know, the keychains here, everybody. This is actually so nice. I actually like this.
The wings.
The Air Jordan wings right here, and then the other one, and the Jumpman logo or keychain. It's amazing. I'm not sure what's this one though. I haven't opened it yet.
The receipt.
Oh,
comes with the receipt.
This is the receipt. Everybody, should we open it?
Open it.
Let's open it. So,
and that's the retail. You can see the retail.
Alright, let's see. So this one is, oh my god. So this is actually Roby's, which is the Air Jordan 1 highs. Canadian dollars once again, with tax included, it's $3,248. So $3,248. That's crazy. Has the receipt and everything. I thought it was like a letter, you know. Actually, it is. Never mind, it's not a letter. I think they got an email.
Registration.
Yeah, they got an email letter for, like, you know, congratulations for winning and everything. It's actually so nice. I wish I got one too, but you know, not a lot of people can do it. We were actually at the time when we knew about it. I'm like, what? Are you serious? And then shit happens. But yeah, once again, I wish we can do like a an on-fit video, but no, we can't. We can't just wear this right now. This is $25,000 in my hand right here. Because usually I do like an on-fit review, right? So right now we're just showing you guys the details. Once again, super nice. Can't believe I'm holding right now. I think they released 8,500 worldwide. This is international already. And then this two guys are actually roommates that won this two pairs right here in the same day. I'm like, fuck, that's crazy. Like, there's like millions of people joined to win this. So it's fucking amazing. Once again, laces, material quality is just amazing. Well, you're paying $3,200 for this, so it should be that quality. So they definitely didn't go wrong in this one. Icy soles. This is the only thing that I'm worried about, because obviously with the icy soles, you've seen it in Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man's, like it actually goes yellow, so you gotta sell this ASAP or wear it. So actually amazing once again. Shout out to this dude. With the bags, as you can see, when you open it, two separate bags for two separate for left and right, and it actually matches two like that, like the two different Air Jordan logos with the wings. So it's like that. It's so nice, super nice presentation, and then the quality with the wax paper,
And also the extra, how do you call this? Insoles. It has the logo of the Dior.
Yeah, it does comes with the super nice quality as well as an insoles. Once again, I really thought that it only has one, but them doing that is actually amazing. Detail wise in this is crazy once again. But yeah, that's it for the Jordan 1 highs. Comparison with the Jordan 1 lows. Actually, we're gonna do the Jordan 1 lows. So this one actually is once again, this one is also released as 8,500 nationwide or like international. His pair is basic from 5,236 pair out of 8,500. This one's 700 something. So this was kind of like in a halfway. Well, honestly, nothing too crazy, just because it's pretty much the same as the highs, because they don't want to, like make it the same price pretty much, but different quality. So they obviously have to try for the Jordan 1 lows as well. So this was amazing. Besides of it being low, quality is amazing. So I just realized for the back as well, instead of saying the wings, instead of saying Air Jordan 1, it says Air Dior. So that's amazing. And the tongue, same thing with the highs. It has the Dior and swoosh and an Air tongue with the Dior fabric or material on the middle, which is amazing. My favorite part, honestly, not gonna lie, is the swoosh. Swoosh made everything of the shoe. So once again, shout out to these guys for letting me review the shoe, letting me actually touch it, show you guys, because this is amazing. Like, not a lot of people can see this in person, plus resale value is crazy on this right now, and I don't think they're selling it anytime soon. So this is actually size 42,
8.5.
so basically 8.5 in US, and this one is size 10 men's. I'm not sure what's in 44 in UK. So same thing with the highs. The right pair has the Dior, and then the left pair has the Air Jordan wing. Once again, quality wise is just A1 compared to like all the Jordan 1 lows that you can see. Even though like the Chicago's or any Jordan 1 lows that you've seen, this is so nice. Laces wise, I've never seen any better than this. It also comes with laces, same thing as the you know what, I'll show you guys. Same thing that comes with the Jordan 1 highs as well. Comes with the Jumpman logo highs with the Jordan 1 wings. So amazing, so nice. Comes with the Dior insoles. Honestly, nothing too crazy. I'm not sure if they have the same price. Do they have the same price?
This different. This is cheaper. It's 2,700.
Oh, so $100 off?
No,
Lower?
it's $300 lower. But then when it comes to tax, it's 3,000. So that this one is 3,200.
Oh, okay. So let's see. How do you do this? I want to see the receipt. So basically, this one with
The receipt is here.
oh, so the highs, right? The highs has the 3200.
84.
Yeah, 3,248.
84.
84 with the with tax on here in Vancouver, Canada. Just so you guys know, just do a comparison. So you know, corner to corner, I guess this is size 10, which is way bigger, obviously. So it's not really like a big difference. Like it's just A1 of like there's no flaws, obviously. No creases. I don't see anything. Obviously, this is all dead stock, but you know some of the Jordan ones they have defects or something. But this one is just obviously you're paying for the price. You're paying for the quality as well, the material, and at the same time you're paying for the name. So, but like you don't see any flaws, right?
Yeah.
No flaws.
No flaws.
Like there's like sometimes in Jordan ones like you see like you say bread toast or even like pine greens that release. There's like stitches issues or even like some leather coming like small defects or small creases right off the bat. So this one is just super clean, like perfect. This one's actually what my favorite is the swoosh, right? Second favorite is the logos. How about you guys?
Favorite's the smell.
his favorite is the smell.
My favorite is the wing.
His wings, eh? Yeah, the detail's just crazy in this one. Like, yeah, it's just basically this Travis Scott, and the fact that Travis Scott is actually the model in this one is amazing. But yeah, like detail. If you've seen this in person, obviously, I'm pretty sure not other people won't let you like touch it. I guess if you're gonna go into sneaker con, it's probably gonna be in the case, and then you can touch, you can just see it. But detail by detail, once again, it's A1. Like you don't want to miss it. You want to read like. Especially this, it's so low key, but you know, it's there for a reason. So once again, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video, guys. But yeah, like for more videos, I guess. My name is Gino, signing out. I'll see you guys next time, hoping for more. And if they're gonna if Mr. Robert right here gonna decide to wear them out, we're gonna do a shoe review, guys, again on Fit. So once again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Gino, signing out.
Yeah,
Peace.
and also we would like to thank High Dior Hotel for giving us the link. That's the reason why we
shout out, by the way.
Shout out for
Zach Motors. Yeah, shout out Zach Motors. Yeah, that guy's an OG. Yeah, shout out. I guess I'm sorry. I really hope that the lighting did decent. I didn't really did. I'm pretty sure the shadows right there. It's not doing that good, but you know, look at that though. Sheesh. But anyways, that will be it. I'll see you guys next time. Signing out. Peace.